Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Munazza Faruqi, working as aesthetic physician. Today we are going through a plasma pen and its potential role in family medicine. Okay, what is plasma pen? Plasma pen is a high technology device. It is pen shaped, portable. It converts electric energy into plasma energy. Plasma energy is formed from atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen interaction. Plasma energy strikes the skin in non-contact manner. The tissue will burn out and evaporate by sublimation. The sublimation is a new term. This is a method by which solid transit directly into gas without melting into liquid. Family medicine is first interaction of patient with healthcare provider. Family medicine cares for all members of a family. Family medicine covers broad healthcare perspectives including diseases, lifestyle, nutrition, and self-image, including skin care and aesthetic issues. The common skin care and aesthetic issues in family medicine like benign skin growths like papillomas, warts, skin tags. Pigmented issues, mole, spider veins, telangiectasias, pigmented spots. There are aging sign issues also, fine lines, wrinkles, skin sagging. As we already knew about three states of matter, like solid, liquid, gas. But the plasma is a fourth state of matter. The term used first in 1928. As you can see, in solid, the molecules are compactly packed and they have less energy. While in liquids, the molecules are freely and they have less kinetic energy as compared to gaseous, because in gaseous form the molecules are more mobile and they have more kinetic energy. When these molecules get charged, they turn into plasma. These are more charged and more energetic. The plasma is not news to us. There are some examples in nature: lightning, welding, neon signboards, sun and stars, nuclear fireball, earth ecosphere, and comet tail are also example of plasma. Plasma uses in industries like agriculture, automobile, aerosphere, chemical, electronics. In healthcare, they are used in skin aesthetic, wound healing, cancer, disinfections, operations, prosthetic implant, and biofilms. The plasma energy is already used. This structure of skin. This is some overview. As we already know, there are skin layers. First is epidermis and then dermis. The epidermis has 5 layers: stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum glandulosum, spinosum, and basal. The dermis has sweat glands, capillaries, and other cells, fibroblasts. Here there is some overview about the cascade of wound healing, the natural pathway, how when there is some trauma, how there is injury and how it will heal. First, if there is trauma, whether epidermal, dermal, or subdermal injury, there is formation of clot. How clot is formed? When the platelet activate and platelet get aggregated, the clot formed. As the platelet get activated, they activate other cells like WBCs, fibroblasts, and macrophages. And there is formation of new capillaries called the formation of new capillaries and new collagen formation. Then there is scab formation and healing is complete at remolding and wound healing occur. But what happens with plasma? Plasma also causes injury, but it is controlled injury. When the plasma strikes the skin or tissue, it gives controlled injury. And the same cascade of healing occurs in plasma, by plasma injury. This is some also overview. There is clot, there is some trauma, there is formation of clot, scab formation, and this new epidermis, and this freshly new epidermis and clot and remodeling. Here there are some lesions you can see which can be treated by plasma pen. There are benign skin lesions like skin tags. What are skin tags? They are small, soft, benign skin growth that are harmless, but the appearance can be unsightly. They look very awkward. The spider veins. Why these are called spider veins? Dilated capillaries on the skin resembling spider legs. This another lesion called dermatosis papulosa nigra are common brown moles that look similar to skin tags. The difference in these look similar, but these are some dark. They have pigmented, but most commonly seen in Africans, Americans, and dark skin colors. Here, these are skin tags, and these are dermatosis papulosa nigra. These are more nearly the same, but it is darker than this lesion. These are syringomas. What are these? These lesions present around the eyes. These are benign growths of sweat gland that appears around the eyes or the neck area. These are moles, macules, are a collection of pigmented areas that resides on the top layer of the epidermis, usually in a brown, bluish, or black pigment. There are cherryangiomas. These are common skin growths that can develop on most areas of the body. They have small blood vessels inside of them that give them their reddish color. These are cherryangiomas. Milias. This is also type of acne also. Milia. Tiny white bumps that get trapped under the epidermis. There is seborrheic keratosis. This is non-cancerous skin condition that appears as a waxy brown, black, or tan growth. And it is nodule, fixed swelling of tissue that is firm and looks the knot under the skin. Benign skin issues you have seen cherryangiomas, milias, nodules, seborrheic keratosis. There are some aesthetic skin issues like telangiectasia. These can also be treated by plasma pen. Dilated small blood vessels on the skin or membrane anywhere of the body. This is acne scarring. This scarring after acne, this can be healed by treatable by plasma pen. Stretch marks can also be treated by plasma pen. Okay, there are some also aesthetic issues like age spots, jowls, hooded eyes. Age spot, also known as liver spots, brown or black spots that come with aging. Jowls, this is a loose fleshy part of the jawline that start to hang more prominently as we age. Hooded eyes, yes? Hooded eyes, excess skin that's folding down from the brown bone to the lash line, which obscures your crease, shrinks your eyelids, and can make you look drowsy. There are some precautions to use plasma pen. What are precautions? Patient with blood thinner, patient with bleeding disorder, pre-malignant skin lesions like any suspicious mole that looks irregular, crusted, discolored, should not have any procedure performed. Some moles are precancerous or cancerous that these are the following examples of these lesions. Yeah?
And we need to refer to the...
You refer to the obvious dermatologist or how to use plasma pen. Yes, it is plasma pen and it has its power button. This is on and off button, and it has also energy levels from 1 to 9. This is its pin. It has two types of pin, coarse needle and fine needle. This is needle. We can fix by screws. This is fixed. And this is skin tag. First we disinfect it, apply lidocaine or xylocaine. This is spark. This is an electrical energy converted into plasma. And this is spark. By spark, this is burned out by sublimation. Look. Now it is healed. It's gone. Any question? So far. Okay. The first difference is electrocortis is used by contact. It is by non-contact method. What's difference?
Madam, it's sort of chemical pottery.
It is plasma energy, yes? No, its spark will not touch the skin.
How far it
Near to the lesion, just near to the, yeah, but just
may I